go! Who sprayed water on us? It's Elephant!
Oh, I'm sorry I sprayed you guys. Please forgive me. I sneezed while drinking some water.
Elephant, it's okay.
So, were you guys going somewhere?
2 squares, acorn party.
A party? Sounds fun.
You should come too.
Yahoo!
Have fun, kids!